Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Unique Fashion Every Sense. This video about unique design necklace and earring collection jewelry. New style necklace and earring design. A necklace is an article of jewelry that is worn around the neck. Necklaces may have been one of the earliest type of adornment worn by humans. They often serve religious, magical purposes and are also used to symbol of wealth and status, given that they are commonly made of precious metal and stones. The main component of a necklace is the band chain, a cord that wraps around the neck. These are most often rendered in precious metal such as gold, silver, and platinum. Necklaces often have additional attachments supposed or inset into necklace itself. The attachment typically included pendants, lockets, crosses, and precious and semi-precious materials such as diamond, pearls, garnets. They are made with many different types of material and are used for many things.